Okay. So my bias on GJ is bearish on the daily time frame. Currently, where we are, if we look to the left, we see that prices acted as support here before. That's very, very important to me. Not only that, but structurally speaking, you can see point A, point B. That was the last lower high right here. Thank you so much. All right, so lower low, or lower high, lower low, lower high. These are price reversal zones, so they're pretty legit. Lower low. I am anticipating a lower high because my three main complements that I like is be with the 4-hour structure and be in a supply or demand zone on the daily. And that's what I've been doing for the past few months that have kept me more consistent than ever before. So it's really just those two things. And then looking out for price action, looking out for price action on the smaller time frames. For example, right now, on the 5-minute, you can see that we had a higher low formed right here, and then it was officially broken. But this is just all in the 5-minute, right? So it's not high confirmations. But ever since that break of support, then I've been assuming that this is a lower high, you know? And then you look and see how the lower highs are actually maintaining. And in a minute, we'll see if this closes bearish or not. But aside from that, every single day, this price came up here Wednesday, rejected. Thursday, rejected. Friday, also rejected. And when I rejected on Friday, it also broke some support over here. All right. Broke some support over here. And it's never been able to maintain above that level ever since. So I don't know. I think it's a pretty strong argument. And the fact that lower highs are being maintained on the daily, right? So we already know that we're mainly with the bearish flow. And then how price rejected this past hour or so. I took some more sells up here. My stop loss is right about here. My take profit is here and then here for the rest for like maybe one trade, but it just really depends on how price is going. And it is a bank holiday today, but ever since I've been trading, I realized that only means so much. It doesn't mean that price is going to consolidate. And it doesn't necessarily mean that price is going to push, but I've seen price done really big moves on days where banks are closed, and it's just like really unexpected. But I don't know. For gold, my outlook this week is, still very bullish. What I really like about the correlation, bringing back the JPY basket, is there's a very high potential that this can go bullish. And if this goes bullish and the JPY gets stronger, that means GJ will get weaker, right? And then that's the inverse correlation that we look at to kind of help assist our trades. So if I look to the left, I see, oh, well, there we go. We have resistance could act as support. And take a look at how the previous daily candle closed. The candle before that closed bullish, and then the next candle closed with more wick than body. So, and then it's also on a really good area of demand, and also previously just made another higher. So there's a lot of compliments in this area, and that can go with GJ, right? And we can start to see some really big moves from this level, because I feel like the daily really could turn around from here. Or another option is price just turns around at this level and continues to go back up. But I don't really know. I'm not even going to forecast that far ahead. I'm just going to say that my next take profit zone is right here at 158. All right. So yeah, let's have a great trading week.